Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Tuesday, January 9th, 2026. Do you see a theme? So this will be the announcement for my summer crochet along for 2026. The theme is America. We will be celebrating 250 years of the independence and freedom of America on the 4th of July. So I thought that would be the perfect, what should I say, theme for my gift away, my crochet along and the gift, if you join. Okay, this crochet along will be a little different. In the past, I kind of just always gave you a theme, a vibe, colors to inspire, and you can do whatever pattern you chose. Yesterday I was watching YouTube and I saw a tutorial drop and I thought, it just hit. That's what it's going to be. So here we are. Okay, so yesterday, Bonnie Barker, I just love her channel and her beautiful, oh, she's so talented. She dropped a tutorial. She has it'll be two parts. She dropped the first part for her Heirloom American flag throw. And that's what you would need to complete to enter my crochet along for summer 2026. Okay, let me show you. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I've always wanted to do an American flag throw, and this is the year I should do it. Okay, July 4th has always been a big celebration in my family because it's a loved one's birthday. And I want to make this so I have this. It's an heirloom piece. This will stay behind my couch or on a bed or something and hopefully be handed down to a loved one and be considered an heirloom. Because let me read what Bonnie wrote about her pattern. It just really touched me yesterday. Okay, and I did purchase the pattern. It's a paid-for pattern on Etsy. However, she will have 2 tutorials on YouTube, so you can make this blanket without purchasing the pattern if you choose. Okay, description. This Heirloom American flag throw is a project, I'm going to read her words, I've had on my heart for many years. It's an expression of my love for my homeland as we celebrate 250 years of independence and freedom. This is a larger throw and is big enough to cover a queen and a full-size bed. Of course, that would depend on your gauge and so on, but it's going to be a fairly large throw. But what caught me was each of the 13 stripes are different, representing the motto that appears on the Great Seal of the United States, E pluribus unum, which translates to out of many, one. We are one America, and there are many of us, and we come from all different races and nationalities, but we are America. We are a melding pot. I know when my ancestors came here, they came from Italy, they came from Ireland, some came very young, came into Ellis Island. Yes, but we are here and we are American, and I'm grateful. Yes, and sometimes I think, where would I be? Would I be in Ireland? Or would I be in Italy? Okay, so my great-grandmother came from Ireland, and I think she was 15 or 16. Can you imagine coming through Ellis Island at that age alone in America? Yes, and we're here. Okay, let's move on. Celebrate 250 years of America, and let's do a crochet along. So in order to join my crochet along, you will need to do this pattern, okay? It starts today. Granted, 4th of July is 3.5 weeks away. You may not finish it by then. My crochet along will end on July 31st. So you have a good 7 to 8 weeks to complete this blanket. But as I said, what intrigued me was what she said about the 13 stripes. So the American flag has 13 stripes, okay? And Betsy Ross made the first American flag. But Bonnie Barker made each stripe a different stitch. representing all of us. We're all different, but we're all, if we're here in America, we're all America. We all represent America. So, and a lot of these stitches I've never done. So this is going to be a very engaging pattern. Okay, so every stripe will be a different stitch, and you know, it'll be a learning experience also. It will be an adventure and will keep me engaged. And if you do this pattern, you'll also be engaged. It won't be like doing a corner to corner where every stitch is the same, or a granny. Every stripe is a different stitch, and it's magnificent. It's beautiful. I'm going to link it below. Go check it out. Okay, so yesterday I had mentioned that I had gone to Hobby Lobby and I did find some more clearance yarn. I had a reason to go to Hobby Lobby. I didn't go for any more clearance yarn, but I did go for the yarn for this project. And let me show you the yarn that I got yesterday. Was I love this yarn, okay? And I do love Hobby Lobbies. I love this yarn. It's a beautiful acrylic. It's 100% acrylic. There are 355 yards in each skein, and it's the number 4 weight. I got the color navy, I got the color red, and I got the color white. I did not get the color for the border as yet because I'm going to wait till my blanket is complete to decide which color I'm going to do on the border. She did her pattern in beautiful Lion Brand's locally grown yarn, which is 100% USA wool, which I think was very significant that she chose her heirloom blanket in yarn made in America. However, I chose not to do mine in wool for many reasons. I don't really want to hand wash a huge wool blanket. And, you know, this will be heirloom. I want it to be handed down. And I'm sure whoever receives this blanket when I'm no longer here won't want to hand wash a blanket either. So I chose to do acrylic. Now, she does give how many skeins of the wool yarn that she used. So you'll need to figure it out depending on what yarn you use. I'll tell you how many I got, just in case you're thinking of using the same yarn that I did. I got 6 of the red and 6 of the white, and I got 5, I think I got 5 of the blue, because I did not want to play yarn chicken. Okay, and you know, I thought I was happy with the colors, but when I got home, I realized I had a skein of ivory, and I love this yarn. Now, yesterday when I was at Hobby Lobby, they did not have the ivory at all. They didn't even have one skein in the Hobby Lobby that I had gone to. So, but I'm thinking, I really like the ivory as opposed to the white. You know, if I'm going to be using it in my home, I think it kind of gives the heirloom flavor to the blanket as opposed to the stark white. So I think I'm going to be returning these. There is another Hobby Lobby, not too much further than the one that I went to yesterday, and seeing if they have the ivory. And I will be honest, when I was there yesterday, they had many boxes of yarn that they, you know, had, it was Monday. So, you know, staff, the associates had not unpacked those boxes. So they may even have it. I may call. But I'm going to change those, and I'm going to do mine in ivory. So I'm going to do mine in the red, the navy, and the ivory. But anyhow, okay. So that will be my crochet along. Again, it starts today. It will end, I don't know if I said that. It will end on July 31st. I would like to get my blanket done by the 4th. Realize it's only 3.5 weeks away. I'm not really sure I could pull that off, but we will see. If not, as long as I get it done in July, it's okay. Because, you know, we celebrate other red, white, and blue holidays. You know, Veterans Day and Memorial Day. I do use the red, white, and blue often throughout the year for other celebrations. Veterans Day. I think I said Veterans Day. Okay, so there will be a gift from me if you join. Again, if you join the Crochet Along, you will need to send me a picture of your completed project by July 31st to mycrochetchannel@gmail.com. and it must be this pattern, as opposed to my other crochet alongs where you were able to choose your own. This is very specific. I purchased this bag a few months ago in anticipation of doing a summer crochet along, knowing that it was going to be $250 America being $250 this year. Okay, I put red, white, and blue yarn. This is yarn I'm going to be using for this blanket. I just put it in there for to show. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in the winnings because, you know, by the end of July, you may want to do something for the fall. So maybe there'll be fall colors or, you know, and whoever wins, it's random. It's picked by the YouTube free wheel picker, whatever. I put the names in. There will be a slideshow, as always. And you'll win a lovely gift from me, from my channel. In no way sponsored by YouTube, by Barney Barker. She doesn't even know I'm doing this. But I'm sure she won't mind that I use her beautiful pattern for a crochet along. And yeah, so it's no way sponsored by anyone or any company. It's from me, from my funds, okay? To celebrate America. Another thing, if you joined my crochet along in the spring, you were able to use whatever you made for my crochet along for Ranee from the Woolly Llama Shop's Spring Craft Along to earn a patch. I spoke to, well, we corresponded. And if you join this crochet along, you will be able to use this for her summer crochet craft along. She does a craft along for her summer craft along patch. She will be doing she will be dropping her summer craft along, I think on the 21st of June. But just a heads up, if you do join mine, you will also be able to enter that into her summer craft along, where she gives away a beautiful patch. And you know, patches are all the things. Everybody wants a patch. I will be getting my spring craft along patch and hopefully earning my Silly Yarny Sisters Socktacular patch also. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You just need to make a blanket, send me a picture. There will be a slideshow on the 31st of July. I have to have a picture by the 31st of July, and then I will do the random spinny wheel for a gift from my channel if you join. Also, if you've made it this far, and I think we're almost 13 minutes in, I am going to also give away one pattern to someone who leaves a comment below this video. Today, as I said, is June 9th. On Thursday, June 11th, at noon will be the cutoff time. So you need to leave the comment below by Thursday, June 11th, with the word pattern if you would like an opportunity to win Bonnie's pattern. Okay, there will be one winner, and I will ask that please do not enter the word pattern if you don't intend on making the blanket. Okay, give those that do plan on making this blanket and joining the crochet along the opportunity to win the pattern if you use patterns. And I will be honest with you, if you do not use patterns, it will be a great opportunity to work along with her tutorial, free tutorial on YouTube, and the pattern, and it will give you a learning experience. So this is a very great opportunity to learn not only new stitches, but also how to read a pattern going along with the tutorial. So while it's an intermediate pattern, there are so many learning opportunities here, and I hope you will join my summer craft along. And thank you for making it this far. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye now.